into the shop on Monday, and so we need to get it ready to be driven. We are on our way to O'Reilly's to go pick up some coolant for the bus. When we bought the bus, when we were driving it back home from Iowa, the engine started to overheat because there was a coolant leak. So we stopped at a rest stop. We had a very nice trucker gentleman give us some diesel coolant that we put in there, and that patched us through until we got it back home. So we're off to that. In order to get it to the shop, we need to build some sort of seat because we removed the driver's seat because it was disgusting. We saved the seatbelt, thankfully, so we can reinstall that. In order to build the seat, we're going to have to cap off the air line that came up into the seat. How's it going under there?
It's going. Oh, this line used to go to the old driver's seat. And so what I'm doing is, because I don't have a cap for the threads in here, I'm just looping it back into itself.
Okay, we're doing surgery on the old seat. This part is disgusting. I don't know, I mean, this bus is from the 90s. Our Maine Coon was sitting on it, as you can tell. Ethan wants to reuse this because it slides, so our seat can be adjustable. And picked up the bus. It has been repaired, it is safe to drive. We can go get it certified with the DMV now because we got the state inspection. But it was $1,900 to get everything repaired, which was just a lot of money. $1,900 was definitely more than we thought, but everything's running great on it now. Ethan is gonna drive it back home. It is raining super, super heavily, but we got our bus back. Amongst other things.
I'm gonna rob you, but you don't have any money. Here. Our first mistake was when we got here, we were not in the zone. There are far too many people on this earth, and they are all stupid. Don't know how to drive, don't know how to merge, don't know how to hit the brakes, or the gas pedal for that matter.
Sure.